Ram Sarvebhyah, Namo Namaha. I welcome you all to this class number 13 of preparatory course for the exam, Shri Surasaraswati Sabha Prathama. Like always, let us begin our class with a prayer. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje, gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave, na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroho, matirasti gurau mama pahi guru. संस्कृतं कथमस्ति? संस्कृतं सुलभमस्ति. किमर्थं सुलभमस्ति? संस्कृत भाषा सरला भाषा. अतः अहं संस्कृतम् अवश्यं पठामि. वयं संस्कृतम् अवश्यं पठामः. With that, let us resume our learning of the Subhashitani. We shall also learn of 3 more new Subhashitas today in today's class. So let me call out the names. I request all the students to be ready and raise your hands in Zoom. I will ask you to unmute and you can repeat after me and tell the Subhashitas. Shailaja Gunda. Can you read out the Subhashitam? Yes.
प्रदोषे दीपकश्चन्द्रः प्रभाते दीपको रविः त्रैलोक्ये दीपको धर्मः सुपुत्रः कुलदीपकः.
Very good, well recited. Dhanyavadaha. I will tell the Subhashitam again. Pradoshe dipakashchandraha prabhate dipako ravihi trailokye dipako dharmaha suputrah kula dipakaha. Okay, next. Tathagat Kumar. Can you tell the next Subhashitam?
Ram sir.
Ram.
लालयेत् पंचवर्षाणि 10 वर्षाणि ताडयेत् प्राप्ते तु 16 वर्षे पुत्रं मित्रवदाचरेत्.
Very good. Dhanyavadaha. Well recited. So, with respect to the tune in which we'll have to recite the Subhashitas or Shlokas, etc., there's no hard and fast rule that it has to be told in a particular tune. But based on the ease to remember it, to memorize it, we will put a basic tune towards it. So, yeah, you can follow any of the tunes, or even you can also tell the other way as well. But it will be better if you can adapt to one of the basic raga, so that it is easier to remember and also to recite. Lalayet panchavarshani dashavarshani tadayet prapte tu shodashe varshe putram mitravadacharet. Okay, we'll go to the next Subhashitam. Jai Shri Bhagini.
Ram.
Ram.
स्वगृहे पूज्यते मूर्खः स्वग्रामे पूज्यते प्रभुः स्वदेशे पूज्यते राजा विद्वान् सर्वत्र पूज्यते.
Dhanyavadaha. Well recited. Swagrihe पूज्यते मूर्खः स्वग्रामे पूज्यते प्रभुः स्वदेशे पूज्यते राजा विद्वान् सर्वत्र पूज्यते. Okay, we shall go to the next Subhashitam, which is a new Subhashitam. Aruna Bhagini, can you repeat after me? Adhamadhanamicchanti धनमानौ तु मध्यमाः उत्तमामानमिच्छन्ति मानो हि महतां धनम्. Uttamam, well recited. Dhanyavadaha. अधमा धनमिच्छन्ति धनमानौ तु मध्यमाः उत्तमा मानमिच्छन्ति मानो हि महतां धनम्. Again here, if we give a pause, mahatam, we can tell it as mahatam dhanam. If we tell it together, we will tell it as mahatan dhanam. Because of the anuswara, it will be changed to the fifth letter of the Vargiya Vyanjanam. Okay, we shall go to the next Subhashitam. Gopal Krishna Mahodaya. Ram. Okay. उद्यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथैः न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगाः. धन्यवादाः. We'll recite it. उद्यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथैः न हि सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगाः. We'll go to the next, the last Subhashitam, which is there in our Prathama textbook. Monica Bhagini, can you please?
नमो नमः.
नमस्ते. वृत्तन्तु सर्वथा रक्षेत्.
वृत्तन्तु सर्वथा रक्षेत्.
वित्तमायाति याति च.
वित्तमायाति याति च.
न क्षीणो वित्ततः क्षीणो.
न क्षीणो वित्ततः क्षीणो.
वृत्ततस्तु हतो हतः.
वृत्ततस्तु हतो हतः.
धन्यवादाः. We'll recite it. वृत्तन्तु सर्वथा रक्षेत् वित्तमायाति याति च न क्षीणो वित्ततः क्षीणो वृत्ततस्तु हतो हतः. One important point here in this place, Vittatah Ksheenah, these two words, the Visarga, we will have to tell it completely. This is Ksha, and whenever there is a Visarga before that, it has to be told completely. For example, we can also see some examples in Saundarya Lahari or many other places as well. Rudraha Kshapayati, something in this way. So wherever there is a Shakara, and before that, if the Visarga is there, we'll have to tell it completely. Please note that point. Hence, Nakshino Vittatah Kshino. And if you are breaking at this level, if you want to pause, give a pause after this, we can say this as Kshinaha instead of Kshino. When we join both the padas and tell together, then we'll have to tell it as Kshino Vrittatastu Hato Hataha. So just note down this point. I think that should be fine. So totally there are 11 Subhashitani for our learning in Prathama. And so I request all of you to start memorizing and practice these. I shall also upload the recordings soon onto the course page. Okay. We shall now proceed to the Shabdas. So we have seen a Tat Shabda in our last class. We shall revise that and we shall learn one more new Shabda and proceed. Okay. Vimala Jayaraman Bhagini.
नमस्ते.
राम राम राम.
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः तत् शब्दः सः तौ ते प्रथमा तं तौ तान् द्वितीया तेन ताभ्यां तैः तृतीया तस्मै ताभ्यां तेभ्यः चतुर्थी तस्मात् ताभ्यां तेभ्यः पंचमी तस्य तयोः तेषां षष्ठी तस्मिन् तयोः तेषु सप्तमी.
Uttamam, dhanyawadaha. A few points. Everywhere Mahaprana was not recited well. Tabhyam, tebhyah, and similarly Chaturthi, Shashthi. These are Mahapranas.
Can I repeat Can I repeat
Uh,
again?
You practice that. So in the next class, when I ask again, you can probably tell out the correct ucharana.
Dhanyavadah.
Yes, please practice the Mahaprana aspect of it. Dhanyavadaha. So I request all the students also to recite loudly when any of the student is reciting here. So we shall go to the next one. Neelanjan Mahodaya.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Prathama vibhaktihi sa te taha.
First, let us tell the title. Dakarantah Strilinga.
Dakarantah Strilingaha tad shabdah. Prathama vibhaktihi sa te taha. Ditya vibhaktihi tam te taha. Tritiya vibhaktihi taya tavyam ताभिहि चतुर्थी विभक्तिहि तस्यै ताभ्यां ताभ्यः पंचमी विभक्तिहि तस्याः ताभ्यां ताभ्यः षष्ठी विभक्तिहि तस्याः तयोः तासां सप्तमी विभक्तिहि तस्यां तयोः तासु tasu.
Okay, a few points to correct. So tasyaha, there's a bit of shakara sound that is coming. It is not tasyaha, it is tasyaha. Sa is whatever we say in is, was, etc. Sa, sakara. Okay, that is one thing. And it is also dirgha is it. Tasyaha, tasyaha in both the places. Similarly, tasyai and not tasyai. A bit of shakara is being heard. So I request you to practice this again well and correct the pronunciations I have told.
Dhanyavada.
Okay, astu dhanyavadaha. We will go to the next shabda. Keyur Panchal. Ram Ram, can you hear me? Keyur. Okay, next Namrata NR.
नमो नमः महोदय.
Yes.
दकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः तत् शब्दः प्रथमा विभक्तिः तत् ते तानि द्वितीया विभक्तिः तत् ते तानि तृतीया विभक्तिः तेन ताभ्यां तैः चतुर्थी विभक्तिः तस्मै ताभ्यां तेभ्यः पंचमी विभक्तिः तस्मात् ताभ्यां तेभ्यः षष्ठी विभक्तिः तस्य तयोः तेषां सप्तमी विभक्तिः तस्मिन् तयोः तेषु.
Uttamam, dhanyavadaha, well recited. So we should go to the next shabda. So far we have seen tat shabda. On similar lines, we shall also learn etat shabda. Okay. So this is very similar to the tat shabda that we have already learned. So I will teach once today. There are a few peculiarities. So we shall learn them, and we will also see what are the similarities with respect to tat shabda. Okay. So Ishita Bhagini, can you repeat after me?
Okay.
Dakarantah pullingah etat shabdah.
दकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः एतत् शब्दः
प्रथमा विभक्तिः एषः एतौ एते.
प्रथमा विभक्तिः एषा एथो एते.
Listen carefully. It is एषः प्रथमा विभक्तिः एषः एतौ एते.
एषः एथो एते.
द्वितीया विभक्तिः एतम् एनम् एतौ एनौ एतान् एनान्.
द्वितीया विभक्तिः एताम् एनाम् एथो एनो एथान् एनान्.
Ishita Bhagini, listen carefully and repeat after me. Okay, I will tell only the, I'll split it and tell it again. Dvitiya vibhaktihi etam enam. Please repeat.
Dvitiya vibhaktihi etam enam.
Etau enau.
Etho enau.
There's no mahaprana. It's not ethau. It is just etau. Okay. Etau enau.
Etho eno.
Etan enan.
Ethan enan.
Okay. I'm repeating this again. Please focus. There is no mahaprana. It is not ethan. Okay. It is just etan. Tan, etan, enan. Okay. So from the next one, please follow it correctly. Tritiya vibhaktihi etena enena.
Tritiya vibhaktihi ethena enena.
Etabhyam etaihi.
Ethabhyam ethaihi.
Chaturthi vibhaktihi etasmai.
Chaturthi vibhaktihi etasmai.
Etabhyam etebhyah.
Ethabhyam ethebhyah.
Panchami vibhaktihi etasmat.
Panchami vibhaktihi etasmat.
Etabhyam etebhyah.
Ethabhyam ethebhyah.
Shashti vibhaktihi etasya.
Shashti vibhaktihi etasya.
Etayoho enayoho etesham.
Etayoho enayoho etesham.
Saptami vibhaktihi etasmin.
Saptami vibhaktihi etasmin.
Etayoho enayoho eteshu.
Etayoho enayoho eteshu.
Dhanyavadaha. I request you to practice these shabda well and note the alpa prana and mahaprana correctly. Okay. So if you see quickly the similarities between tad shabda and etat shabda, everything is almost the same except for the prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. There it is saha taute. Here it becomes eshaha. Sha is there instead of sa. Eshaha etau ete. Saha taute tam tautan. Here it becomes etam etau etan. Along with that, there is an additional form which is enam enau enan. Similarly, we have the additional form for Tritiya Bhakti Ekavachanam and Shashti Saptami Dvivachanam. So these are the differences between Tat Shabda and Etat Shabda. And the remaining all the forms, only thing that we will have to add is Ekara. Tad and Etad, only addition is Ekara. And if you put Ekara from Tat Shabda, we can also tell Etat Shabda. So we'll have to remember both these forms. It is not that it is optional and we can remember only one. Not like that. We'll have to remember both the forms wherever there is it is available. So let us go to the next Shabda. Dakarantaha Strilingaha. So Rajuyan. Dakarantaha Strilingaha Etat Shabdaha.
दकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः एतद् शब्दः
प्रथमा विभक्तिः एषा एते एताः.
प्रथमा विभक्तिः एषा एते एताः.
द्वितीया विभक्तिः एताम् एनाम् एते एने एताः एनाः.
एताम् एनाम्
एते एने एताः.
एते येने एताः एनाः.
तृतीया विभक्तिः एतया एनया एताभ्याम् एताभिः.
तृतीया विभक्तिः एताय एनाय एताभ्याम् एताभिः.
Listen carefully. It is etaya. It's not etaya. It is etaya. Etaya enaya etabhyam etabhihi.
एतया एनया एताभ्याम् एताभिः.
चतुर्थी विभक्तिः एतस्यै एताभ्याम् एताभ्यः.
चतुर्थी विभक्तिः एतस्य एताभ्याम् एताभ्यः
पंचमी विभक्तिः एतस्याः एताभ्याम् एताभ्यः
पंचमी विभक्तिः एतस्याः एताभ्याम् एताभ्यः
षष्ठी विभक्तिः एतस्याः एतयोः एनयोः एतासाम्
षष्ठी विभक्तिः एतस्याः एतयोः एनयोः एतासाम्
सप्तमी विभक्तिः एतस्याम् एतयोः एनयोः एतासु
सप्तमी विभक्तिः एतस्याम् एनयोः एनयोः एतासु
धन्यवादाः. So similar to tat satetaha, here it will become esha ete etaha, and here also there are additional forms for dvitiya, tritiya, and then shashti and saptami. So we'll have to remember these additional forms as well. Let us go to the next shabda. Okay, Renuka Bhagini. दकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः एतत् शब्दः.
दकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः एतत् शब्दः.
Can you please speak near to the mic so that it will be clear? प्रथमा विभक्तिः एतत् एते एतानि.
प्रथमा विभक्तिः एतत् एते एतानि.
द्वितीया विभक्तिः एतत् एनत् एते एने एतानि एनानि.
द्वितीया विभक्तिः एतत् एनत् एते एने एतानि एनानि.
तृतीया विभक्तिः एतेन एनेन एताभ्याम् एतैः.
तृतीया विभक्तिः एतेन एनेन एताभ्याम् एतैः.
चतुर्थी विभक्तिः एतस्मै एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः.
चतुर्थी विभक्तिः एतस्मै एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः.
पंचमी विभक्तिः एतस्मात् एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः.
पंचमी विभक्तिः एतस्मात् एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः.
षष्ठी विभक्तिः एतस्य एतयोः एनयोः एतेषाम्.
षष्ठी विभक्तिः एतस्य एतयोः एनयोः एतेषाम्.
सप्तमी विभक्तिः एतस्मिन् एतयोः एतेषु.
सप्तमी विभक्तिः एतस्मिन् एतयोः एतेषु.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी. So similar to tat shabda tattetani, it becomes etat ete etani. The ekara will be added and additional forms in the four vibhaktis that we have seen. So I request all of you to practice these shabdas, tat shabda and etat shabda, which are very important. And based on these shabdas, learning of these shabdas, other similar shabdas will be easy for us to follow and practice. So I request you to all practice these shabdas. Okay.